With the boom of TikTok, Instagram Reels and YouTube, every other person wants to be a content creator, either taking a long form content or a short form content. And with the boom of content creators, there's also a boom of video editor in this space. So if you are one of them, or if you want to start as a freelance video editor, you are at the right place. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to start as a freelance video editor. So without a further ado, let's roll the intro. So before starting the video, I should tell you all that I have divided this video into 3 parts. First, things required to become a video editor. Second, how to start as a video editor. And third, how to start as a freelance video editor. So if you know how to edit videos, then you can jump to your desired timestamps which are given. But my advice will be to watch this video entirely because half knowledge is dangerous. So let's talk about the first part, which is things required to become a video editor. Now that you have made your mind that you want to become a video editor, then there are some things which you need to have. Coming on the number 1, which is obvious, a video editing software. The first thing which you should have is a video editing software. That is a computer software like Filmora, DaVinci, Adobe or Final Cut Pro or any other software which you think will be good for you. And be reminded that some of them are free and some of them are paid. So choose wisely according to your needs only. Like for example, if you ask me, I use Filmora 11 for all the videos which I have edited on this YouTube channel. But for different things, different softwares are required. Like if you want to do heavy color grading, then Adobe Premiere Pro will be good for you. But if you want to edit videos like me for this YouTube channel, then Filmora 11 will be good for you. Because Filmora 11 is a very light software and it can run on pretty much every budget laptop. So it really depends upon what you really want to work. And by this we come to our second thing which is really important to start as a video editor, which is knowing what you have to edit. Knowing what you have to edit is also one of the first things which you should consider before starting to learn video editing. Like if you want to edit vlogs or full-fledged podcasts or cinematic videos or just these types of YouTube videos like me, believe me, when you niche down, you really increase your chances of getting clients in the freelancing for long term. And it's also not wrong to learn all the things in the start, but from my perspective, you really should niche down in the starting and you can always learn all the things in the process. And by this, we get to the second part of this video, which is how to start video editing. If you have never seen a video editing software in your entire life, then try not to be overwhelmed by all the options given in the software. Because when I downloaded the software, I was like, dude, what should I do? But after a week when I had seen my other friends edit their videos, I was like, okay, all the options are not for a single video and you are also going to learn them eventually after when you are editing more and more videos. So when you are starting to edit your own videos or just trying to learn the video editing, try to start from simple things like adding text, adding B-rolls and cutting the videos, and then just pro level shits like animation or color grading. But Adi, what about the course? Can you suggest a course? Where did you learn from? Well, I know you are gonna ask this question in the comment section, so I thought why not answer them in here only. So I have started video editing on my own by editing my own videos on the YouTube by using the Google and YouTube for the tutorials. But if you want to join a course, then it's also good because in a course you will have a very strategic and a very planned way of learning the video editing. So it also depends on you what suits you. Okay, so before going on, if you're liking this video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel because it gives a lot of confidence for making out these videos regularly. Okay, so now let's talk about the third part of this video, which is how to start as a freelance video editor. Getting a freelancing client as a video editor is the easiest work next to the graphic designing compared to any other form of skills in the freelancing business. Because today's social media platform is going more and more video oriented. Either take it short form content for like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts or long form content for like YouTube long form content. So you can DM these content creators on their social media links and I'm pretty sure that they will respond to you because they are always in need of these type of video editors. There is an abundance of video editors, but they are not good ones who can achieve their needs. So you can have a very good shot with these creators. Now these are the things which I would recommend for you all to getting clients. But if you all want to know about some of the platforms which you can use for getting clients, then I would recommend Upwork. I think Upwork would be a great platform for you to start as a freelance video editing if you don't mind competition. But if you do mind competition, then you can go for some platforms which have less competition. And if you don't know about these platforms, then I have a dedicated video on it which you can watch in the end screen or in the cards here. Okay, so now as we got to know about where to find these clients, let's talk about how to get these clients. And for doing that, you should maintain your portfolio. And if you're using websites like Fiverr, Upwork or Freelancer, then you should also maintain your ratings and reviews plus your portfolio because that plays a significant role in getting you more and more clients. And if you all want to know more about this, then I have a dedicated playlist about it. If you want to check it out, then you can check it out after the end of the video. Okay, so by this we get to the end of the video, and if you have any thoughts, questions or comments, then you can comment them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read them all and to answer them. Until then, I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.